What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. Everything okay?
The microphone nearly died, but that's alright.
Today we're going to be a different video.
Very different from us. And what can we expect in today's video?
We are going to open this.
You may have seen these if you're a familiar shopper at Kmart, or maybe not. Either way, what are these? Zuru Mini Brands Create. This is the Masterpieces series. I believe there's other ones like MasterChef, there's books, there's a fashion one as well. We were quite curious about what's inside these masterpieces, so we're going to find out same time as you guys as to what we can expect to find.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's see what we've got. I'll clear the space here. Lara will have the first go. What will we find here? So just to clarify, we've not seen a video on these before. We have realistically no expectations. We're just curious more than anything. Here we go. Is there another little seal there? As Lara makes her way into the first one here, drop your comments down below. What would you like to see us get in these?
Oh, it's more than one.
It is more than one. Wait, did you get? How many did you get? Three?
Three for you.
Three per one?
No, it's more than three.
Wait, hold on. How many are there? There's one, two,
3,
4, and 5.
and 5.
Oh, okay. So this is almost like a little Kinder Surprise, if you guys know what they are. You can get all sorts of like storage, a frame. Yeah, you can get all sorts of different things. So maybe there's not 5. Maybe there's an easel, the art, maybe a frame. I think we just get into it, see what we've got.
Can I open?
Yeah, go for it. Inside the first packet we have, that looks like the artwork there. That is pretty cool. That looks like actual canvas too.
Okay.
Forgive us, we're not extremely cultured, but that... Does anyone know what artwork that is? There's the frame for it. We'll have to put them all together and show you guys at the end what they look like, but...
I'll open this.
That's the first one down. Oh, that's the easel, I guess. You can put that together to help display it. In the third piece, we have a second artwork with its frame, and it's going to be...
Let's see.
Oh, actually, what is that? Is something riding a cat. I don't know how else to describe that. A knight riding a cat? Is that what that is? A pirate, maybe? I'll let you guys decide what that is.
Interesting.
Very interesting. Not the Mona Lisa, but something, as you said, more interesting. And we have in the fourth packet, is this another piece of art?
Let's see, what do we have here?
It looks like another piece of art. It's going to be... Oh,
Ah, that's interesting.
that's Da Vinci, no?
Yeah.
I forget the name of it. What's it called? I should know what it's called. I know it's Da Vinci. I'm pretty sure we'll say what it is down below. But that thing, I think that's one of the good ones. There's another piece of frame there. And we've still got one more piece. So we've got 3 pieces of art and an easel with a little magnifying glass.
That's interesting.
yeah, I guess the idea is you can take a look at the art in finer detail as well, which is pretty cool. That's a nice little touch. They feel like real canvas as well.
Yeah.
That's really cool. So it looks like you get one magnifying glass, one easel, and 3 pieces of art in each ball, which is really cool. So we are 1 ball down, 2 to go. I'm not sure which. I want to get the Mona Lisa. I really do. I'm going to go with this one. So, ball number 2. What are we going to find? All right, here we go. Ball number 2. Is there 5 as well? Actually, what might be interesting, are these the same? Oh, these are different. So this looks like almost like the checklist of the different pieces of art that you can get. Okay, so you can get a banana, which is interesting. Some legendary pieces. There's the sculptures and what looks like variations as well. So you've got the original pieces and then a little variation there. Check out the Mona Lisa there. That's a cool version. Some familiar pieces, some new pieces, and there's over 50 to collect. So that is really cool. So what are going to be our art pieces? I think those feel like frames. That feels different. That feels like a piece of art. Okay. We'll open up the non-art pieces first. There we go. There's our magnifying glass. So it seems like you get one of those and one easel in every pack, which is a nice feature as well. Got to display those pieces. So let's go with the smaller one first. Let's see what we have here. It is going to be a lady crying. I don't know. Is that a real piece of art? Is that? I'm really uncultured. I apologize. But that is a nice piece nonetheless. Let's see if we can get something that we know. Because it's interesting, like these things, they're real art, but there's also, I guess, some created art as well, specifically for this, maybe. So we'll see what is in this one here. That's kind of cool. I don't know much else to say other than that looks really cool. Got some nice geometric shapes. Is that meant to be a balloon? A lollipop? Don't know. The final piece here. This is the biggest one of the second ball. Let's take a look and see what it is. Oh!
Wow!
Look at that!
Wow, that's really nice.
Look at that!
That's really nice.
It's a Mona Lisa variation with the base. That is really cool. We wanted the Mona Lisa, and technically, we've got it. Check that out. That is really, really cool. I think that's my favorite so far.
Yeah.
Check those out. Ball 2 complete. Let's see if we can top that one in ball 3.
Let's go.
Bosh. Okay, guys. Ball number 3, our final one. Let's see what we've got. Take it away.
I'm curious to see.
Can we get something even more incredible than what we've got already? As Lara makes her way into the final ball that we have here, let us know in the comments below, guys. If you were to open this or any other thing in the series, what would it be and what would you like to get? Let us know down below. Here we go. contents are there, and we are diving straight in.
I really want to see this screen.
The screen would be really cool. Would be really, really cool.
Let's go by this first. I guess it's the, what's the name?
Magnifying glass. Is that right?
Maybe.
Or is it?
Oh,
Oh wow, that's something different.
something different.
It's a palette with a paintbrush. That is quite special, actually. I wonder how rare that is. Something like that. Yeah. Does that count as one of the pieces? I wonder.
That's a good question.
That's the beauty of opening something you don't know about. It's just the surprise, you know?
Jeez.
Magnifying glass. There we go.
Here we go.
So we've got that. So you guaranteed a magnifying glass in each one, perhaps? So if you're doing this as a once-off, it's quite a nice piece.
First?
I think I was going to say the smallest one, but they all look the same size. I'll tell you what, I'll open this one.
I'll open this.
And we'll save maybe the best for last. Let's see, what does Lara have? Well, it's going to be this. We have a double. We have a double. It's the woman crying with, I don't know, is that supposed to be gold or something?
Yeah.
Something like that. That's a nice little piece. But, oops, I'm throwing art away. No. So yes, here we go. The penultimate piece, it's this way. It's going to be this one here. That's quite nice. Again, that looks like a real painting. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be honest. But hey, we're learning. And I'm not too sure if it's going to come across in the video, but they're sort of textured as well. It's like they've been embossed. Is that the word? Where, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like layered on top of each other, which is quite cool.
Interesting.
So there we go. The second piece.
And the last.
And the last is going to be, is it going to be the scream? Is it going to be something else? Is it going to be another person riding a cat? It is?
That's really nice.
I think that's Van Gogh, no?
Van Gogh.
Van Gogh? Is that portrait? Self-portrait? We apologize if we are wrong. I mean, we've been to museums before, we've been to art museums. I like to think we're cultured, but we don't know a lot about art. Apologies. But I know that that's a really famous piece, and apologies for not knowing the name of it. But I really like that. And this was the only one that had the palette there as well, which is really nice. Really nice feature. So guys, we're going to do a quick little recap for you, show you what we got, and let us know what is your favorite piece. So guys, that will do it for today's video. Here are all the pieces of art that we have unboxed today. Lara, which one is your favorites?
My favorite is this one here.
The work of Mr. Da Vinci himself.
Yeah.
And that was a very iconic piece.
What's your favorite?
My favorite, I think, for the novelty, yeah, it's gonna be the Mona Lisa here. We wanted to get Mona Lisa, we got it. The variation I didn't actually know about, so it's quite a nice surprise. But I think the Van Gogh is very nice as well. And I think as a bit of a runners-up, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but I really like it. I really hope it's a piece of art somewhere in the world, and who knows what it actually is supposed to be.
Yeah, guys, it's a really nice piece of art that you have here. It was really funny. It's really interesting doing the pieces together.
Yeah, it was quite fun. It's a little nice activity you can do at home, especially if you have kids. It's a great way to get them involved in the art world. And if you're like us, you can hopefully learn a few things along the way. And yeah, guys, if that is something that you enjoyed, let us know which one your favorite piece is, which is your favorite item here, and we will have it on display in our future videos. So if that's something you want to be a part of, consider subscribing and join us for future videos. And if this unboxing is something that you enjoyed, let us know and what you would like us to look into next. So thanks for watching, guys. We will catch you in the next episode.
See you in the next video. Bye.